Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. For this new video, I have a cozy DIY home decor update, new bed setup, picture frame styling, and I'm going to catch you up on my handmade quilt project. Let's get right into the video. So this guest bedroom setup is finally back in motion. I'm still here healing after my foot surgery, so I had to get some help putting this new queen size bed together. It did arrive with a little stain, so I'll keep y'all posted if they send out another replacement. But I really didn't want them to have to take it apart just for right now. I wanted to get this video together, so we're going to piece it together as best we could. I also added a new picture frame and made a little progress on a handmade quilt, again, that I'm going to be featuring here also in the video. This new happening that is going on in the space, I'm just happy to see the space coming together again and getting back into a little bit of a rhythm. So if you enjoy bedroom updates, home decor vlogs, of course this is the video definitely for you. You can see my daughter and my son-in-law here today helping me out with all the handiwork, lifting, carrying, and putting things together. I'm so grateful because, as I mentioned again, I'm still recovering surgery, and I definitely couldn't do it all by myself. Well, really, I couldn't do anything of it by myself. The bed came very well packaged, and it included all of the screws and tools needed to assemble it. The headboard comes in several pieces: the top, a bottom, and the two wing sides, and also the surround that encases the entire bed frame. The color is a perfect light, cozy bedroom look that, I like to go for. And there's also some decorative nail heads, as you will see along the top of the headboard, that give it just a little detail without it being too much, especially for me. The bed is designed with a slat bottom, but unfortunately I couldn't get to that part. We couldn't install that because the holes didn't align properly. So again, I'll update you on that part. That's something that can happen, especially with furniture that's being assembled. That's not like unheard of. So again, I'll update you on that. There were a lot. The link down below just in case if someone wants to check it out. We'll see what happens with the slats in a future video as well as the bed. But for now, let's go ahead and finish this part and get this bed done and move on to the next project. And y'all know there's always something going on around here, even while she's still on her 4 wheels. So it's all put together at least as best as we could get it for now. I have a frame sitting on it from my existing base, so it's definitely stable and secure even without the slats. My daughter is going to go ahead and put the bed together with some fresh bedding and give it a clean, fresh made up look. Even with a few things unfinished, it's really starting to feel like a cozy space again. Sometimes you just have to work with what you've got and keep moving forward. And again, I'll update you in another video. Like the color, but it does give off a bit of it's goldeny, which works beautifully with the mirrors. And I'm thinking about making a cover, just make a cover, that's it, because I can't upholster anything because I'm still using my screw. So I'm going to make a simple cover with this fabric and see how I like the look. as I was saying before, I'm going to use this fabric, and I do like the fabric, and I'm making just a simple slip cover, not real upholstering the whole thing, because I definitely like the blue that's already under here as well. So nothing too fancy, just something I can throw across. Sure, it has enough overhang on each side. I'm really keeping things minimal right now because I'm not at full capacity. I can't bear weight evenly yet, so I'm not able to stand on both legs. This is definitely a do what you can moment. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay with looking like it's really not as gold as it's appearing, because the light is bright. Again, it's daylight bulbs, and it's really not as bright as it is appearing. It's more of this rich, dark, goldeny brown hue that's here. I really like it. And that's the other headboard for the space. So I'm just gonna kind of wing it here because I'm on my scooter still, and I'm gonna have to try to yeah. Usually I'm gonna measure this, but I'm just gonna wing it today. Ooh. Have it all cut. And I have to do these corners and then sew all the way around the edge. It's not as bad as it looks. But it's coming along. So it's just going to be a slip cover. To the top of the bench. And I'm going to do it right here at the corners. So you have that crisp corner all the way around. I always love adding those personal touches to this beautiful photo frame, and I'm just now getting around to placing a picture of one of my beautiful little baby girls in it when she was very young. It's such a sweet memory, and it just felt like the right time to bring it into the space. Of course, I love the soft gold detailing, and the creamy border around the frame is simple but elegant, and it fits in. It's the little touches like this that really make a space feel definitely like your own. Here am I on this quilting journey. So I have cut out a lot of my squares, and I have the cream and gold leopard print fabric, and then the beautiful blues, taupes, beiges, grays in this fabric. And it's just all of the extra little pieces that I had from making pillow covers, and I am making a quilt. Far I've gotten. So while I've been at home, I have been I've sewn, I measured out how large I wanted the quilt and how wide I wanted the quilt, and then how I wanted each one of the patches or the squares to lay in the order. And of course I'm going to rotate them because that is what a quilt does. And that's how it's looking. I haven't sewn it all up because you have to go through and pin and whatnot. I should be ironing down these seams, but I'm not doing that. Yeah. But this is where I am on the quilting journey, and I'm going to get this done soon, and I'll show you all the finished product very soon. But look how it's coming along. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love the fabrics and the weight. I know it feels random, but really it's not random at all. It's just real life, and that's what makes me so relatable. So I think anyway. I know I've been all over the place in this video, but honestly, again, that's just real life for me right now. I've learned to make happy, joyful moments meaningful, no matter how small. I did finish the final bench covers. The bench slip cover, that is. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'll be sharing a handmade quilt in another video soon. I haven't forgotten. Trust me, it is going to be shown. And again, I really do like how it's coming along. Now that's everything for now in this place. I'm doing a little styling with some of the pillows that I'm going to show on top of the new slipcover for the bench, and you can find that link down below, of course, in the description box. And thank you all so kindly for watching. As always, spending this time with me. I appreciate every single one of you. So I'll see you all soon, and that'll be a wrap. Bye for now.